Ever pondered what it would be like to live without fear? To not have that constant unease lurking in the depths of your thoughts, ready to pounce at the most inopportune moments? Fear, the unseen enemy, can often feel insurmountable. But what if it wasn't? What if instead of being your enemy, fear could become a catalyst for growth and self-discovery? Begin the journey to overcoming fear by acknowledging its existence. Wrap your arms around it, embrace it, and delve deep into its origins. Why does it hold power over you? What are the triggers? Understanding the roots of your fear is the first step towards disarming it. Now, turn your attention to the thoughts that fuel your fear. These negative narratives and beliefs can often be our own worst enemies. Challenge their validity. Are they based on fact, or are they mere assumptions? Arm yourself with positive affirmations and adopt a stance of determination. Make a conscious effort to replace irrational fears with more realistic positive thoughts. Next, envision yourself as a warrior in the midst of battle, wielding the powerful weapons of relaxation techniques. When fear strikes, it often triggers a stress response, evident through physical manifestations such as a rapid heartbeat or shallow breathing. Master techniques like deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and mindfulness meditation to calm your mind and body. Use these techniques as your shield, regaining control over your reactions to fear-inducing situations. Then imagine yourself as an explorer, ready to venture into the uncharted territory of your fears. It may seem daunting to face your fears head-on, but remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Break down the feared situation into smaller, manageable steps. Start with the least intimidating step and gradually work your way up to more challenging scenarios. With each successful exposure, your confidence will grow and the power of fear will diminish. Along this journey, surround yourself with a fellowship of supporters. Share your fears with trusted friends, family members, or mentors. Their empathy, understanding, and practical advice can be invaluable. Consider seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor who specializes in anxiety and fear-related issues. Remember, there is strength in numbers, and even the bravest warriors need an ally. Finally, be patient with yourself. Overcoming fear takes time and effort, but every small victory is a step towards a more confident you. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and remember that setbacks are a natural part of the process. Stay committed. Believe in your ability to overcome fear and watch as you transform into a more confident, fearless version of yourself. So, the next time fear tries to hold you back, remember these steps. Embrace your fear, challenge your negative thoughts, use relaxation techniques, expose yourself gradually to your fear, seek support, and be patient with yourself. Fear may be a formidable enemy, but it's an enemy you can overcome. And remember, on the other side of fear lies freedom.